Hi, I'm Vance Nordine from Nordine Realty Incorporated. Today, we're here with Sean Finlay from American Financial Network. We're going to talk about FHA financing
Yes.
versus conventional financing.
Right.
And Sean, I hear that the one big difference is the down payment.
That is correct. Well, FHA is at 3.5% for a down payment, and conventional lending requires a minimum of 5% for a down payment.
Sean, I also hear that FHA versus conventional, FHA you can buy more house.
That is correct. With FHA financing, FHA has a lot more flexibility for qualifying and will allow a buyer to be able to buy significantly more of a home with its financing power.
Okay, Sean, I understand that FHA versus conventional, on FHA you can qualify for more property. And so tell me about the income to debt ratio.
Well, the main thing is that FHA will allow a buyer to actually have 10% additional debt to allow them to qualify. And that's really where the additional significant purchasing power is allowed with FHA financing.
So sometimes FHA is a better way to go.
It can be, yes, it can be.
Okay, very good. Hey, Sean, we're going to talk a little bit about interest rates, FHA versus conventional. I understand that FHA's got cheaper rates, is that true?
That is correct. In fact, the basic interest rates will run about 0.5% greater with conventional loan interest rates.
Okay, so that means that's part of the reason why you qualify for less on conventional.
That is correct.
Okay.
I want to touch base on one other thing. FHA's mortgage insurance premium can be much greater, in fact, almost double what conventional lending is. And the reason why it is greater is because FHA is willing to take greater risk on their loans, both with higher qualifying ratios to allow a buyer to qualify for more of a home, as well as even lower credit histories or worse credit scores.
Okay, so they can buy more house, but there's a greater risk, and so you're going to pay mortgage insurance.
That is correct.
To get that.
That is correct.
Okay, good.
Here's the thing. With a 95% conventional buyer with very good credit scores, that buyer could get such a much lower mortgage insurance premium,
Unconventional.
yes, that it really can benefit the borrower in the long run.
You go conventional.
That is absolutely correct.
Okay, unless they want more house.
That is correct.
Then
And if
they
they
go
want,
FHA.
then you would go FHA.
And they're
for sure.
penalized with more mortgage insurance.
That is correct, yes.
Okay,
that
good
is
deal.
correct.
Thanks, Sean. One last thing I got to tell you guys is there's a whole lot of disclosures and things that we didn't even get into in a whole lot of detail with these FHA conventional loans. If you want a lot of detail, you need to give me a call or give Sean Finlay a call, and we'll fill you in on some details. Preferably Sean Finlay, because he's the loan guy. I'm the real estate guy. I'll help you buy a house, help you sell a house, but let's talk to Sean about your financial stuff for qualifying. He's got the details on that. Sean, any last minute questions you have?
Well, I'd love to
Or
be able
comments?
to talk to anybody who's like to be able to go over with me, get pre-qualified, and go over with you these different loan programs to see what's best suited for you as a home buyer.
All right. Thanks, Sean. Appreciate it.
Thank you.